Donna McCannis filling in for Clifford Baines, who's starring as Lumiere in the touring company of Disney's Beauty and the Beast. A bipartisan congressional report released this week finds that almost all problems facing the United States are caused by the nation having been built on top of ancient Indian burial grounds. Jason, what's your take on this report?
It makes a lot of sense. I mean, Native Americans covered this country's land from coast to coast for centuries. I mean, their bodies are buried everywhere beneath
That's
us.
right.
It's
The Treasury,
controversial.
the Pentagon, Congress, every single foreclosed home, they're all built on grave sites and therefore are cursed.
No, that's why the economy is struggling. It's not about speculative bubbles and lax regulation. It's Indian ghosts.
It certainly explains why there are all these poor people everywhere. These ghosts have been screwing with capitalism, so it doesn't work like it should.
Look, come on. This is ridiculous. There has to be a logical, scientific explanation for the economy's collapse.
No one can
It's
find it.
probably just America's foundation settling. That happens when a country gets to be 250 years
Well,
old.
This is the
efforts to
scientific
break the curse are already underway on Capitol Hill. Republicans believe that the only way to placate the Indian ghosts is by blood offerings.
Come on. I mean, Indian spirits are not appeased by blood offerings. This is a
Well,
political
in the past,
move.
you know,
Republicans
it hasn't.
want the curse to hold so that they can paint Obama as soft on poltergeist.
No, that's right.
right.
That is
Now, what
right.
about that old scroll tied up with eagle feathers that Congressman Harkin's plucky junior staffers found behind that painting in the Senate chambers? Could that contain some sort of solution?
Please, the nation doesn't have time to waste on a wild goose chase with a bunch of pesky kids and that flea bag cat of theirs.
Well, the White House announced today that President Obama plans to make a peace offering to the ghost of the great chief Wikkiwama in an effort to end his plague of bad luck. He's scheduled to venture into the old mystery cave behind Monticello next week.
No,
Wait,
no,
what?
no.
You can't go in
This
there.
is a horrible idea. During the energy crisis, President Carter couldn't make it more than 20 feet into that cave. His teeth were chattering so horribly.
on the news.
He
That
jumped
bad?
into the arms of a statue of Neptune and was terrified even further when he saw its face illuminated by a flash of lightning.
Yes, yes.
Well,
he had to hide underneath the carpet. I mean, it was very disturbing.
Isn't
Were
it
you
possible that this is all an elaborate hoax? Remember the savings and loan ghost of the 90s? It turns out that was old man Greenspan in a phantom mask trying to scare away day
Are you
traders.
kidding me?
It's
The
not-
curse
it's-
is real, and I, for one, am not going to sit around and wait for the government
Oh.
to fix it. So that's why I journeyed up
Paul.
to Tall Mountain. I acquired this. It's a placenta from a rare white buffalo.
Wow.
They bury it in the backyard, and it cleanses it of all Indian aversion.
Oh, my
Could you
God.
spare
What-
a chunk of that for me? Because I just lost a lot of money on a bad stock tip because of
No,
that.
my husband's company is doing really badly. If I could just have a piece
No.
of that placenta.
Can I have a little piece of that placenta? Because I want to
sorry.
prove to you that that's...
What are you doing?
Hold on. I got one half of this.
24 were lost at sea during this year's Drowning Man Festival. Get the story later in the newsroom.